This is how you can make any woman desire you. This is how you can make any woman have a thirst to knock with you. In this video, I'm going to highlight and discuss with you, share with you, talk with you 6 tips on how you can improve yourself as a man and make that woman desire you and want you, make you as a priority. If you are reaching this channel for the first time, my name is Godwin. I mostly makes videos about relationship and marriage. If that sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing to the channel, that every time when I make videos like this one, you'll be the first person to know. Number one tip on how you can make that woman that you desire in your life, that you always spy on, or to always make you a priority, is to develop yourself a confidence when you're talking, when you're interacting with people, or always when you're making yourself decision. Be the man who knows what he wants. Be the man who will be there to encourage. Be the man who will be there to build. Be the man who will be there emotionally strong, more especially when things get tough. These are the kind of men women desire. These are the kind of men women always get attracted to. The second one, you should always be the kind of a man who always works very much hard. Okay? Be the kind of man who is willing to fight for something. Be the kind of man who is responsible. Women always get drawn to the people that are always have that kind of a spirit of fighting, that have this kind of a spirit of being responsible. Okay? It's not every time that things they should always be moving according to your lane. There are sometimes a lot of ups and downs, but always be the kind of a person who exercise patience. Be the kind of a person who always have a heart of working very hard. And women who always make you as a priority, women who always desire you, women who always respect you. Let me also talk about, be the kind of a man who always make sure that you have cultivated yourself, or you have developed yourself the kind of a person who makes people happy. Okay, who makes that you woman that you so-called desire happy, more especially by the time when she's feeling sorrowful, by the time when she's not feeling happily. Okay, be the kind of a person, develop this kind of attitude whereby you'll be able to bring a smile on her face, more especially when things get wrong, when things get hard, when she's passing through a lot. Okay, be the kind of a person whereby you can make her forget about her problems. You can make her forget about those horrible moments that she's actually passing through and put a smile on her face. She'll make you a priority. She'll always desire to be with you. She'll always desire to be with such kind of a man. Be the kind of a person, even if you are ugly, even if you don't have that handsome facially, but be the kind of a person who always take care of yourself. Okay, look representable, look always smart, smell always good. These are the kind of women that always get attached to. These are the kind of women that always put you a priority. Not every time a woman will be there just to, just to be making sure that no, she's pushing you around so that no, you just look presentable. Be presentable. Sometimes you can't work on how you look, but you can work on how you can take care of yourself. If you understand what I mean, you can't change your appearance, but you can change on how you can start uh, developing yourself, more especially when it comes to the issue of hygiene. Okay, you can put yourself like some sense of perfumes, like taking a bath a lot, like just taking care of yourself when it comes to hygiene. Be that as a priority. Make that as to be one of the things which will come a habit into your life. Women will always desire you. That women should always consider you as to be the very responsible man. Okay, let me also talk about, a man should always cultivate and develop this kind of tendency of listening more. There are sometimes, there are some men, they don't have this heart of listening to the women. Okay, but women always enjoy. Lastly, you need to develop yourself sexual confidence. When you are talking with women, when you are interacting with a woman, you need to develop yourself sexual confidence. You know, be playful when you're with her. Be uh, seductive. Play a seductive role when you are with her. Try like you know to be prolonging those high contact. Women love it that way. Be the kind of a person who is very joyful. Be the kind of a person who is very romantic. Okay, try to be bringing all those uh, good stuff. Try to be doing all those good movement when you are with her. Be the person who be there just to rouse her emotion, sexual feelings, more especially when you are with her. Make sure she enjoys your presence. Make sure she always adores your presence. This is how women always desire, and this is how you can make any woman want you, desire you, wants to knock with you each and every time. Thank you so much for your time. If you enjoy the video, if this video was very helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. If you're reaching this channel for the first time, share your thought in the comment section below. Stay tuned and stay blessed.